Greetings, traders. It's Tuesday, February 17th, and I just took a trade and made a few ticks and forgot to record it. So I'm recording now. That was my first trade. I'm gonna take another trade here, and just following the code. Not too hard. Pretty simple, actually. So I'm gonna take another trade. I'll come back shortly and take one. It'll be my second trade. Boy, this thing's really moving up here. I should have held on to it. Should have went for 40 ticks. I would have got it very easily. Oh well, oh well. When you know the code, I guess it doesn't really matter too much because I can just keep taking successful trades one after another. So I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'll come back. I'm taking another trade. Okay, I have taken a short entry here. Let's see if I'm right. Uh-oh. Come on. Go down. This isn't exactly the way I want it to go, but if I've got the code right, it says go down. I'm going to be looking to place a break-even stop on this thing relatively quickly. Give me 10 ticks ahead, I'm going to place it. Very conservative trade here. I'll show you why in a second. I have time to take my hands off of this thing. Okay, setting stop at 54.01. I need to get my hands off of it. 54. That's the break too, which I don't like. But what can I do? I don't like this trade. I should just get out right here. I don't like this trade. I'm getting out. Yeah, something wrong with it. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. I must have the code wrong. Yep. Right. It hasn't gone wrong yet, but I just don't like this trade. Here, let me show you why. Look at this. By all looks of it, it's gonna go. We're going straight up on the 10-minute. Now I got a code entry to go short right there, but I don't know. I don't like that. I think it's gonna go. See how it's not coming down? Code entry to go short, but it's not coming down. Alright, I need to go check the code. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back in it short here. It would appear we have two code 1 short entries. I don't like this trade though. Come on, get me out ahead. I'm going to place a break-even stop on it. I personally don't like this trade, but if I can get a break-even stop on it, it'll be. I won't care. But this is a dangerous trade as far as I'm concerned. I'm just playing the code, but come on, a little bit further. I'm going to place a break-even stop on it. Am I recording? Yeah, I am. Okay, come on down. Where's the code at? Okay, get ready to place a break-even stop at 53.87. 53.87. Where's it at? Come on. Get that 10-minute chart. Oh, I do not like this. I'm placing the stop. I don't like this at all. Break me even? Go ahead. Break me even. I don't like this trade anyway. Let me show you. Let me show you why. See, it's going to go. I'm just telling you that right now. It's going to go. I've been doing this for years. Or let's put it this way. The math is way too high that it's going to go. I don't care what that code says. See, because if it was going to come down, all right, the code one, it just shot way up. Code one, get 2 short entries, I think, right there. If it was going to go down, guess what? It would already be going down. What's it doing? Going back up. It's because it just came down a little tiny bit. Now it's going to go. Let me see if I can get an entry here. No. It's going to run up off the key. I'm not going to be able to do it because I don't know what the key is. Well, the math is to go down, the math is too low. To go up, the math is too low. No good math right here. I got code entries say go down. We'll see if they're right. I'll be back. I took my eyes off the computer for a second and it just shot up. Yeah, I suspected that, you know, as I said. I've seen this before many times. You know. That's why I just got out of that trade. You don't see me get out of trades too often. But I got out of that one because, yeah, it just was no good. It became too much. You can tell by the way it acts. It'll sit up there, give a short entry, and just sit up there. It doesn't want to come down. Doesn't want to come down. And then all of a sudden it'll just take the other direction and go. Because it was like a short entry, small little breather, and before it shoots back up again. Which really means you need to get on the bandwagon and go long, basically. But it's risky, because if you go long here, it doesn't break right away. It can come back down. Here comes code 2, so it's risky. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to take another code entry. I'll be back. Okay, I have taken another entry here to go long. It's just shooting up, and according to the code, it's going to continue to do so. Just going to go for 20 ticks, though. As you can see where we are in the 10-minute chart here. See that? We're even getting to the top of the previous. Just shooting straight up. Code just said to go long right there. We may shoot up and go higher than this high right here. Let's see, what is that high? It's at 30, about 35 or so, about 22, 32, 42. Yeah. Let me just keep it there. I'm just going to keep it there. It's going to break there to hit my exit. It's going to hit it up here, about 42, but I'm just going to keep it there. I'm not going to put it any higher. Take a look at what's going on here. Oh no, we got a reversal. Hold on a second. Shoot. I gotta make a decision now. Hang on. Put it. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, it hasn't broken yet. I better go set the stop. Okay, there we go. There we go. Hold on a second. I want to take a look at the stop anyway. Okay, I'm gonna place a break-even stop on this anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. Setting it at 54.23 on the break-even stop. 54.23. And by what's the code? Taking a look. What is that? Taking a look. Still okay. We're still okay. Am I recording? Yeah. Still right. Should make a big jump here. Big jump. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, placing the break-even stop at 54.23. Break-even stop in place. You should make it this time. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go now. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, you can do it. I have faith in you. I believe. Just to show you where we are, though, on the 10-minute. Because you're not seeing what I'm seeing on the other monitor. See, we're just breaking right there. Now, granted, my exit is just past the break, but there's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. First of all, I want to keep the math high. Second of all, I think it may just do just that. Just go past the break and then come back down. But we'll see. It may shoot up really big, but I can take a code 2 trade. Come on, get me out. There we go. Okay. Now watch to see if I'm not right. If it just go right up past that break and then come back down. I've been trading this market for too long. You see? I've been trading this thing for too long. Crazy, isn't it? But it still may go up. It's going to get a little squirrely here right now. I can't tell you what it's going to do. It may spike way up. I only play the math, you know. There's certain mathematical likelihoods of it doing certain things, and I just play the math on that. Also, I play the code, of course. Okay, so I'm going to come back. I'm going to see if I can't get another trade. Actually, see here. Need to go back in and, yeah, I should be able to get another trade. I'll come back. Okay, I have just taken another short position here. We've got a short position off of code 1. Let me calculate my stop really quick. I'll be right back. Almost to the exit here. I'm going to place a break-even stop at 54. Never mind. What did it go down to? 16? Oh, man. 16 and I'm at 12. Thanks a lot. Getting radical. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to exit this trade. Come on, go down for me one more time. Come on. There you go, there you go, there you go. I'm going to exit this trade. Comes back up on me. I'm just going to get out. Alright, I'm out right there. I don't like this trade. Maybe it is going to continue here, but it might continue, but the code's gotten a little weird here. A little risky, so I don't want to risk it. I'll take the profit off the table. I'm going to come back, though. I may get another trade. We'll see. I'll come back. Okay, I have just taken a short position here. This is a code 2 trade. Taking a short position. And for you code 2 traders, I would like to show you something. Because you might say, You might say, well, why are you taking that trade? I mean, you told us, to play it a little bit different than that. Well, that's why I want to show you this. This is a special one. You see the way it looks? You see how it's coming off of a top right there and going straight down bar again? And now it gives you the short signal right off of a straight bar on a 10-minute chart? You want to go with those, because usually those will drop out. Now we've got a conflicting one off the daily. See how it's going up? We've got a green bar. So you got this is the only problem with this trade. You got a conflicting right there on the daily, but then you got the 10-minute going down, and now you've got a code 2 short entry right there. So, a safe entry would probably be back at around 30, maybe even 40, about 30 to 40, be a safe entry in without getting a stop hit. But on this particular one, it should just continue down. It's coming up here a bit, but oops. See what it looks like. I should just continue down though. I got my 20 tick stop in place. Okay, I'll come back. You can see it's coming up very close to my stop. 40 would be about perfect entry. So if it hits the stop at 36, I'm going to place a reorder to short at 40. And we'll take the position there. That'll give me 40, let's see, 20. That'll put me down to 95, put me to 40. That'll give me like a 45 tick exit. 45 tick exit, which is not bad. So we'll see if it comes up and hits it. If it does, I'll reshort. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and place it right here, right now. Okay. Short order pending at 54.40. If it comes up and hits the stop, it'll most likely come up and hit that order as well. And then I'll be short again at the 40 mark. And from there, okay, there it goes. And then from there, I'm going to readjust the exit down to 95, 53.95 on the exit. Now all we need to do is get filled here. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, I am now filled and in. I'm in short right at 54.40. Now let me adjust the exit from the 20, and we'll take it down to 53.95. That gives me a 45 tick exit on this trade. Going for 45 ticks. Okay, I'll come back, show you the trade. Just wanted to show you really quick that the trade is moving down, and still got a ways to go though. Gotta go all the way down to 95 to get me out. But that'll be a nice 45 tick exit. Called out in advance before it would even happen, based upon the Code 2 system, 1 trade per day strategy. It caught me by 4 ticks on my stop, but I took a re-entry knowing which direction it would go, and I have placed my exit at 95. When it breaks here at 12, it won't have too far to go to hit that 95 exit. So it's on its way. It should make it. Mathematics are pretty good on it. And I'll come back and show you the outcome. It just went down to 03 right there, which is 8 ticks above my exit. So getting close. Getting close. I'll come back. You might ask, why am I going for it all the way down to 95? Why not just take the profit right here? Because mathematically, I should be able to make it to 95. This whole entire code is a game of mathematics. and it should be able to make it. So I'll come back and show you. If you want to win at this game, the first thing you need to do is know the math, and second thing you need to do is play the math. If you do that, you win. I'll come back. Or let me rephrase that. You come out way ahead. I mean, when you play the math, it's not that you don't lose. You do lose. Because the math is not 100%. But if something wins 7 times out of 10, you don't want to play it the 3 times out of 10. You want to play the 7 times, because you'll come out ahead that way. If you play the 3 times out of 10, you'll come out behind every time, mathematically. So, probably doesn't seem like a lot of ticks right there, but it's just a trade that should make it mathematically. That's why I'm going for it. I'm also watching code 1, looking to see what it says. I'll come back. Like for instance, right now we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 code 1 entries right now to go short. 3 of them in a row. And we may get another one, may get a 4th one. It's just going to take me right down to the exit. I'll be out. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, here we go. It's going to go, this is a short entry. I'm going to place the stop, readjusting the stop to 11. 54.11 on the stop. 54.11 on the stop. Stop in place, locking in the profit. There's a reason for that, using the code. It may pop back up here. I think what it's going to do is it's going to pop back up on a code 1, and then it'll eventually go back down and continue the code 2 and make the exit. But I'm just going to get out here. I'm getting tired of waiting. Yep, it's going to pop back up on a code 1. No big deal. It'll most likely what it'll do is it'll just come up a little bit, and then it'll continue its move back down again and go make the exit. Okay, I'm going to come back. Okay, it just hit it on the stop that I just set. It's probably just going to come back up a little bit. It's just a code 1 long entry, but I doubt it'll go very high. It's going against code 2 right now. So it'll just come up shallow and then it'll come back down. But I don't want to wait for it anymore. I'm just going to take the profit there, call it a day, and I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I've got to work on the charting service here in just a little while. You know, I called it the code 2 again perfectly today. Able to predict what it's going to do before it does it a day in advance. So, no reason not to hit those big trades. Today was a good day too. I need to get myself up early. But, actually today was, let's see, let me count. Yeah, today was a good day. Nice 100 tick day of code 2. I just can't wake up that early. Or to put it this way, I refuse to do so. Because I can, obviously you can see I can do well. I don't need to wake up early. But if I was in the right time zone, by all means, I would play those code 2s and make those 100 tick trades. But I just not in the right time zone. So, I'll do what I can. I'll be back tomorrow, do some more trading. And I gotta start in the charting service just a little while. So happy trading out there, traders. Hope you're doing well. I need code traders. I know you're doing well. And get out there and go tear it up using the code. See you tomorrow.